Hi guys, this is Atulya back with a video on how you can install GCAM or Google Camera on your Android device. So Google Camera is a camera application that was initially supported on all Android devices but was later made available only on the Pixel devices. So you will ask why you would want to install another camera app when the hardware remains the same and you already have your native camera application. And that's a valid question. See, apart from the camera hardware, what made Google Pixel 2 and Google Pixel 3 the best camera phones in their respective year of launch was the optimization that the GCAM app was capable of. Google has put a lot of efforts into developing the machine learning and image processing algorithms that does all the post-processing optimization on the photos. So the Google Camera app will probably click better pictures than your native camera app. The difference between the two photos might be subtle or huge depending on the optimization that your camera app does. So before talking about how you can install Google Camera app on your device, I would like you to press that red subscribe button. I post similar videos related to technology that I think you guys would find helpful and interesting. So without wasting any of your time, let's get started. What you guys want to do first is go to the Google Play Store on your device and search for the GCamator app, or I'll leave a link in the description down below. What GCamator app does is it detects whether your Android device has the Camera 2 functionality that is required by GCAM app. Once you have downloaded the GCamator app, fire it up and it will start checking whether your device has the Camera 2 functionality or not. Once it is done checking and says Camera 2 API module is enabled, you have to go to the device info tab where it will try to find the right GCAM port for your device. I don't know why, but for some reason it detected that there is no GCAM port available for my OnePlus 6T. But there's this GCAM database tab where the app has indexed all of the available ports. On scrolling through that index, I found a port for my OnePlus 6T. So if it doesn't find a port for your device, you can simply go through that database yourself and try to find the right APK. Once you do, just click on download and the APK will be downloaded to your device. The servers are a bit slow, so it might take you some time to download the app. Now once you're done downloading, depending on your device, you might need to go into settings and allow the installation of unknown apps, or a pop-up might appear asking you to do so. After allowing the installation, GCAM will be installed on your device in a couple of seconds. With this, you're done with the installation process and you can use all the features that the app has to offer you, such as night sight, lens blur, portrait, and many other features. Here are a couple of photos that I clicked using the GCAM app and the native camera application on the OnePlus 6T. In my opinion, the difference between the two photos is really subtle, and it could be because the OnePlus also uses some good post-processing algorithms. But it was worth a try to see how much the difference the app can make. So that's it for the video guys. If you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to click the like button below. It helps the channel grow a lot. Thank you.